All right, and all right, so continuation to 03, right, rally in a downtrend, and then of course the smart money before the open or now, who the hell knows, it doesn't matter because that's what trade management it's all about. So this break of 89, we believe that price is going to continue going 14 more points all the way to 03. That's target one. However, remember, this is a counter trend because the main play is still bearish, and we believe that the price will eventually take the stop 86, break it, dance around the low 83, and finally break it and continue to 72. Right? That's the main play. However, until we find a strong resistance, we're gonna continue playing the long, which we humbly believe it'll continue going all the way to 03, 6,000 psychological level, 3 more points. Okay, all right, ladies and gentlemen, 6,000 psychological level, as if we didn't know, right? Exactly. 1 minute to open. Remember, 03 target one. And we're gonna continue we'll do what we do every day. All right, we're gonna start considering a counter trend 610. All righty, because this is the open. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so that's 14 points, and let it ride, let it ride. Remember, we're gonna consider a counter trend beginning at 10, 610. Counter trend short, counter of the short term, because remember, the overall market direction is still bearish until I say not anymore. That's 08, almost 09. So in other words, if you're gonna do the counter beginning at 10, then that's the high of the range of target one, right? Boom. Okay, we couldn't get the 10, but you know exactly what's going on. At 9 a.m. we had a break of 89 that told us to go long all the way to 03. The low of the range and the high is 10, right? So that's beautiful. 3, oh my God, CAPI, unbelievable, man. Look at this, all the way to, what is that? 2 points to our high range, but look at the mid range. Mid range is working beautifully. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we did a little bit better. 19 points right here. Price goes to all the way to A from our entry solid break of 89. That we were expecting the price to go to 03, but we knew that there was enough momentum to take it to 10. It took it to A, so that's 19 points. That's pretty good. And again, this is the play that we're going to continue managing. And we have a solid stop right here, 89, 86. This is what the amateurs on YouTube call, all the teenagers, all those master traders overnight, they're all master traders, you know, that's amazing. They only know one setup, and they call it area of value. I think that's how they call it. It's right here. It's this 86, 89, right? It's true, all right? So that much is true. That's the only thing that they know. but they don't know how to do it, right? They explain everything to you after the fact. All right, so we have an area of demand. That's how they call it. They just learned that terminology, and now they're using it to scam the innocent. All the traders that wants to buy a Lamborghini in a couple of years, they think that they're going to be able to do it in 2-3 years. All right, so that's our counter trend short. Oh my God, CAPI, no, I had my limit at 10, man. Look what I'm missing. It's called day trading. Okay, so the overall market direction is no longer bearish. Remember that we've been counting that the future, because remember, day trading is all about the future. If you want to day trade professionally, you just need to know the future. That's it. If you don't know the future, just go back, sell real estate, or just become a politician and go scam the constituents, of your region, whatever. You're not gonna make it here. This business, you need to know the future. You need to know exactly where to get in, where the price is going, where to get out in case it's invalidated. You need to know exactly how to manage your position. You need to know your position size so you can play with it. Trade management and account management. You don't have all of that crystal clear, especially direction. The future, it's not gonna happen, right? All these kids on YouTube, all these multimillionaires, Lamborghinis, all these master 20-year-old kids that all of a sudden are master traders overnight. The internet is it's unbelievable. They will never read the market live, real time to you. They're desperate to sell you their trading system, but just they will never prove to you that they are real traders. How can they prove it? There's only one way to prove if you're a real trader or not. Read the market live, real time, every single day for 20 years. That's it. There's no other way to prove it. Okay? Don't give me testimonials and don't give me all of that crap. Don't give me testimonials. Don't give me P&L. I don't even care if you trade. Just read the market. Tell me where the market is going. That's it. I'll take the shot or not. It's my responsibility. I don't care if you trade. Just tell me what to do. Right? So in other words, look at that beautiful bounce. Couldn't even test our solid stop. So what do? Add to a winner. Why? Because we know the future shape of the chart. Market gonna take the area of demand. You know, that's what the teenagers just learn on YouTube. We know exactly that the counter trend short 10 right here is the aim. It's 72 right here. So we say eventually the price is gonna break one of the two, right? Right now, the management of the counter trend short that we've set all day today is going to 72, right? That's the aim of that counter short, the 10 area. The mid-range, right? Because we had 03, 10 was the mid-range in between, right? It's 07. This is a beautiful entry short, the 07, that we expect the price to continue going to 72. Straight line? No, we know that that's not how it's going to be. Right? This is a self-fulfilled prophecy. It's a double bottom. The only setup that the master traders on YouTube know. Double bottom, double top. That's it. They don't know anything else. And now they want to sell you their magical trading system. So our objective with the short 07 counter trend that we knew way before the price even went there, which gave us 19 points on the way up, our long breakout long, our objective for this counter trend long is test, of course, right here. This is break it and continue to 72 that we know since when? Since 9 a.m. when I opened the room. And so we are after 35 points on this trade. Right, so this is exactly what I mean when I say we know the future shape of the chart. Told you we're gonna be leaping up and down in a rectangle. 83, 610, 610, 83, 610, 83. Eventually it's gonna break one of these two. We believe is the one to the downside, right? Guarantee, of course not, but we all know exactly what we're looking for. This is a beautiful example of a ranging market, which a lot of scammers on YouTube, they want to teach you, but after the fact, they have the chart and they say, I went long here, I went short here, I went long here. This is what's called a ranging. They want to teach you, but they're not gonna do it live, real time. That won't happen. This is a classic ranging market. Now we need to know the future. Two things. Number one, way before it happens, how the chart is gonna look like, which is exactly the way we said it's gonna look. And is it gonna break? Yes. Chances are it will break one of the two. Where? Number two. And then, yeah, if it breaks it, where is it going so that I can let it right to my target? Right there. You need to know all of that. If not, just go sell real estate or become a crooked politician. That's it. In this business, you're not gonna make it unless you're selling air, selling smoke. which, by the way, all those kids, they all make more money than all of us put together. Those kids that have 1 million followers on YouTube, Instagram, and all that stuff, man, that's pretty good. Don't get me wrong, they're pretty good salesmen. All right, ladies and gentlemen, consumer confidence, 10 a.m. Here, 80, 2 more points. It's by way of 72, by way of, what did I say? 78. Price just went to 80, 2 more points. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's 78 on our way to 72. So in other words, it's not only important to know where the price is going, but how the hell it's gonna get there, like this. So I believe that's target 1, right? The beginning of target 1, 72, right? Oh, okay. So let's see this momentum, if it's gonna give us a ñapa. That means if it's gonna give us a little bit of a gift. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So the low range of target 1 is 60. I want everybody take profit 60. 60. Oh my God, unbelievable, Capi. So we're gonna make what? 50 points on this trade. The market gives us volatility and we take it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so the market just gave us 42 points. We know that we're gonna be looking to buy this support like we always do. It's an automatic counter trend of the main playing short, right? Okay, yeah, Capi, but I was waiting for the market to go to target, for the low 60 so that I can have the best risk reward ratio. Well, look at the mid range, exactly the same as above. Mid range is what? 66. So aggressive, confident, determined traders, those of us who've been trading this system for 20 years, live, real time, we know that as soon as we see the pullback, we know exactly that's a strong support and we take it. The mid range, 66. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, what I told you this morning, our ultimate objective is 42. 42, so we are after, 60, 70 points today. And remember, we're gonna get out 3 times. Target 1, target 2, target 3. That's it. You are in a trading room and you are with a guru and he's telling you, runners, run away from that room. You want your guru to tell you exactly how many times you're gonna get out. Period. Don't tell me runners. If you hear the word, when I hear the word runners, I start laughing. Look at that gorgeous counter trend. Why do we take it with confidence? Because I've been telling you all morning about the hidden bullish phantom move that nobody knows, but we are the only ones. Capi, you're crazy, man. We're not the only ones. Yeah, I know. I'm kidding. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we just developed a new condition, so I'm going to have a new reading. That means that more chop just begun. So our target, that 142, back burner. Remember that the overall market direction is sideways, but we know where is more enthusiasm, and that's why we've been going short, and we wanted to ride it all the way for these 42 points. And of course, our usual counter trend is giving us 66 all the way to 84. That's pretty good. All right, so I'm gonna say it again. This is a strong, we just had a new condition. We went to limbo, and so I'm not expecting the price to take 60 anytime soon. Massive chop, just went stronger. Alrighty, so pretty much take advantage of the 19 points that we made on the way up, the 42 points that we made on the way down, and the 18 points that we just made on this counter trend. From now on, it's early, it's only 10:20. From now on, big time chop begins, and we know who is our worst enemy, right? So that's pretty much it. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, so pretty good, right? Alrighty then. So yeah, sure. We want to make in 2 hours what most people make in 2 months, right? Chop began. Know that we can trade chop because we can, right? It's gonna take longer for the price to go to our target 2 and to our target 3. And if we need to change hats, so be it. We'll do it. Long story short, if you have a guru trying to teach you, desperate to teach you how to trade the stock market, but they're not willing to read the market live real time for you, then if it's not live, it's not real.